How to boot from a USB flash drive on this Lenovo V15 laptop. First you need a bootable USB flash drive. This has Windows 11 on it. So you have to power on the laptop and then you will have to press the F12 key on the keyboard. This one which has the calculator on it. So F12. So power on the laptop and press the F12 key a few times until you see something on the screen. So I'm pressing F12 and this screen shows up. Windows Boot Manager is present because there is an operating system on the hard drive already. Okay, now insert a USB flash drive. Let's try it with the non-bootable first. The USB port is here next to the top button. So if I insert this one, the LED is flashing but nothing shows up. So that proves it that this USB flash drive is not bootable. Let's remove this one and insert the next one. And with this we should have another entry here. So it's a Lexer USB flash drive, and since it's bootable it showed up there. So that's how to boot your Lenovo laptop from a USB flash drive. Now if I go to the second one using the arrow keys up and down, the second one, and press enter, then it is loading the operating system from the USB flash drive. The disk access is being proved by that flashing LED. And that's the setup of Windows 11. First I will need a USB